Something wrong?
Sadie and Gussy, they had the best little family friendship. They played in the yard together. And then they would have their breakfast together. She was just pure joy around Gussy. You would never know that she was struggling.
Come on, Gussy, help her.
It was a dairy and meat farm where she was born. Sadie was oxygen deprived, and they knew that she wouldn't make it.
You okay, baby?
But luckily, it went through like a network of rescue, and they got in touch with us.
My sweet child. My sweet Sadie girl.
She was the cutest little thing ever. I mean, she was less than 2 pounds. And at the time, she couldn't stand up or hold her head up.
Here we go.
She had just nothing to her. And so I was terrified. We did everything possible.
Sadie getting a little aqua therapy.
She slept in bed with us for a year.
Come on, girl. You got this. Keep it moving.
Every breath she took felt like a small victory. As she grew stronger, her personality began to shine. She was very demanding and knew what she wanted for sure. Other goats, they didn't really get her. They knew that she was special and different. Then there was Gussy, steady, gentle, and wise. The moment they met, it was as if they had known each other. He became this mother figure to her.
Smack him with that tail.
Yeah.
He would stand right next to us when we were doing therapy on her. She would headbutt him, and he would just sit there, and he would lick her back. They loved being right in front of the fireplace. It was the cutest little thing. Gus started to get older, and all he wanted to do was sleep. When we lost Gus, it was very hard. Sadie really did miss him, and she was just tired. 5.5 years, Sadie passed. I can definitely picture he was right there waiting for her. This is a very big comfort knowing that they're probably together again.